Hello, everybody, and welcome to the final Headteacher CCCU Assembly of 2021. What an incredible year. We know who we are at Grange. We know that the G is for a great caring attitude. We do care. The R is for really trying our best. That's what we all do at Grange. The A is for always learning at Grange, because if we make a mistake, it doesn't always feel nice. But what do we do with our mistakes? We learn from them, we grow from them. We actually know the G is for going for improvement and progress. That's what we're about at Grange, our personal best, improvement and progress, and continuously developing. The E is for our education, which will help us to make great choices. We did not forget the N, for the N is for never giving up, because we are CC learners. And we know that at Grange, true strength is your character strength, the strength inside you. When you have confidence for yourself and you have consideration for our beautiful world and people around you, and through that, we make the world a better place. Here are some Grange people of power that give us hope. All the Grange parents and carers who support us and support the Grange CC way. All of our Grange children who show caring with their actions and words and make their Grange friends feel safe and happy. When you make somebody feel safe and happy, that's an amazing thing. All our children who do CC walking, CC salutes, star sitting, make Grange the best school in the galaxy. All our Grange adults who teach, care for, and help our children of Grange learn and make loads of progress. You are the difference maker, the Grange adults. You are the best. And that is our final people of power. And the Grange character strength focus is inclusion, because the highest level in a community is when people feel included. Think about each of us. Do we feel that we belong at Grange? Do we feel that we are really included, that people care about us, see us, that we matter, that everything we do is important and of value? Well, that's the way it should be at our school. That's where we work together to include everybody. We have CC walking at Grange, so we embrace the challenge to be an inclusive community. We know that it's not just about who we are right now, that we're always learning, we're always growing, we're always developing, we're always becoming our best. We know we do star sitting when we need to listen. We listen with focus, with respect, and we know there's no substitute for each of us. We each need to live our best life. Here's your feedback forum. Sorry, it says by end of Wednesday. Wednesday, we're all on holiday, so it's not about that. We want everyone at our school to feel included. We want them to feel that they belong and are welcome. What actions can we do to bring this about? Do you realize that each one of us is a member of our community? So yes, we have rights. We should be treated in a certain way because we're part of the community of Grange. But also we can all contribute and make a difference in our school. We can make people feel safe, included, welcome, valued, that they belong with dignity. What can we do to bring this about? That's your thoughts. Here are some Grange thoughts to leave you with in the holiday. We're all connected because we live in the same school, the best school in the galaxy. So even if we go off on holiday, we're all over the world, or we're all are spread around London, or we spread around Harrow. The thing is, we're all still connected because we're all human friends. And here, this is the Grange CC way. Be kind to yourselves. Look after your mental health and in the holidays. See yourselves for who you are and appreciate and respect yourselves. Be kind to yourself. Get outside, get some fresh air. Read a book. Do some things that you enjoy. Play in a caring, sharing way so that you enjoy what you're doing, and see everybody's around you for who they are. Appreciate, respect them, make the world a better place. When you see a Grange person especially who needs support, be their ally, be their friend. Don't turn away. Say, your problem is my problem. I'll help you. But when you're helping, do not sacrifice yourself. Balance your consideration with confidence as well. So you do what you can to help somebody else, but you always keep yourself in mind. Confidence, you need to give yourself self-love. Together with that balance of confidence and consideration, make the world a better place. Who are our class champions for the whole of Autumn 2? Sophie W., Tiana, Sharia, Hussein, Nikki, Tiago, Rahima, Tanashiri, Shubaida, and Bavita, Michelle, Medina, Blessing, Shana, Aliyah, Tebarek, Habiz, and Zikreya. Fantastic. You are all the classiest, you're the class champions right through the whole of Autumn 2, that was. How many points did we get? 13,467 brilliant CC power points in this last week. So who were the classy class? Now this is the classiest class of the whole of Autumn 2. Nightingale class in consistent third place with 9,359 points. C Cole class, you're always up there, 11,078 points. But the classiest class, get ready for a round of superhero applause for the classiest class. I have to come and visit you and sort out something for you. for autumn 2. It is tremendous, Tubman class. Well done, everybody. Superhero round of applause. Proud of you, Tubman. You set yourselves a target and you achieved it. We set ourselves a ridiculously crazy, ambitiously aspirational target of 250,000 points, 250,000 points. Did we do it? Oh, yes, we did. 270,629 CC points. Do you think we could be aspirational enough to actually dream of 1,000,000 CC points in a year? We've got like, I don't know. I do not know, but you know what? I'm going to dream. So we made it, everybody at Grange, and we made it because we're powerful, we are kind, we are loved. We are Grange, best school in the galaxy. Remember what I said about before. We're a school that really cares about making everybody feel safe and welcomed and included. And that's not each person just feel like that. Each of us working towards making our community, that incredible school. We made it this term. We made it 2021. Give yourselves a power confidence boost. Give yourself a tremendous inner coach talk about what you have achieved in 2021. Be proud of yourself. When you made mistakes, you learned from them. When anything happened, you fell down, you got up again. You did so brilliantly. You were adaptable, you were flexible, you were powerful, you were learning, you were great. Be confident, people of Grange, and look at our beautiful world around us and say, yeah, I am going to make a contribution to this world. I'll start by making that contribution by being a kind person, a caring person, a sharing person, a person who takes turns, a person who listens, who talks, who gets involved in dialogue. I am going to be a person of contribution. So confidence and contribution, the CC way. And that is why we say, let's be great, let's be Grange. We had an incredible 2021. 2022 will be even better. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead, be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.